Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BuyPlane app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BuyPlane is an aviation marketplace app that allows users to browse, buy, and sell private aircraft with ease. The app provides detailed aircraft listings, pricing information, and seller contact options, all integrated into a clean, navigable interface. It also offers advanced search filters, saved favorites, and notifications for new listings or price updates. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its intuitive layout, comprehensive listings, and smooth communication features. It allows buyers and sellers to connect efficiently, compare aircraft options, and track market trends. Many users also like the ability to save searches and receive alerts for listings that match their criteria. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report limited listings in certain regions, and detailed verification of sellers or aircraft condition may require extra due diligence outside the app. Premium features or advanced market insights may also require subscription access, which could be an additional cost. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the BuyPlane app may be worth using if you're looking to buy or sell private aircraft with a streamlined, mobile-friendly platform. It excels in usability, listing variety, and market tracking. However, if you need guaranteed regional coverage or comprehensive verification, additional research beyond the app may be necessary. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.